morning students, myself Manisha Nasi. Welcome back to the new video of Science chapter number 1, our organ system. Before starting the new organ system, take a short recap which we have studied in the previous video. Let's have a short recap.
Do you know that your body has various organ systems and each has a specific function to perform? Let us learn about various organ systems of our body. In the last lecture, we had covered skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system and nervous system. Now let's start with the next part of our organ system. So we are going to start with respiratory system. Respiratory systems helps us to take in oxygen from the air around us. Can you guess which organs are part of the respiratory system? Well, respiratory system is made up of nose, that is nostril, windpipe, that is trachea, and the lungs. We breathe in air through our nose, that is nostril. Did you know the hairs inside your nose makes the air clean by preventing dust and germs entering your body? The air that we breathe in is called inhaled air and that is rich in oxygen. The air we breathe out is called exhaled air and that is rich in carbon dioxide. We breathe in air through our nostril, that is nose, then it goes to the nasal cavity and further move to the trachea, that is windpipe, and then enters lungs. This is called inhalation. The lungs diffuse oxygen through the blood stream into the body and expel carbon dioxide. From the lungs, air full of carbon dioxide goes to the trachea, that is windpipe, and it releases through the nostrils, that is nose. This is called exhalation. This entire process of inhalation and exhalation is called respiration. Let us move to the next topic, that is digestive system. Our body requires various nutrients to work properly. These nutrients are obtained from the food we eat, which is broken down by the digestive system. The digestive system is made up of organs such as the mouth, esophagus, that is food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. The digestive system helps us to digest the food that we eat. When we chew with the help of teeth, the food gets broken down into smaller particles. Have you ever felt hungry after smelling some tasty food? Yes. Did you know that the process of digestion begins when our nose smells for tasty food? This smell of food makes our mouth water. This water in the mouth are called saliva, which helps make the food soft in the mouth. We eat food through our mouth. where this food is chewed and mixed with saliva. This soft food passes through the esophagus, that is food pipe, which connect with mouth and stomach. The food stays in the stomach about 4 hours and mixes with various digestive juices. From the stomach, the food moves to the small intestine. The food particles are further converted into simpler form, which are absorbed by the body to provide us nutrients and energy. The digested food is transferred to the blood to be transported to the different parts of the body. This process of breaking down of the food into simpler form is called digestion. Our body cannot digest and use every part of the food that we eat. So, the undigested food is passed to the large intestine, from where the undigested food is thrown out of the body through anus. This completes the cycle of digestion in our body. Let's have a look at the excretory system. The excretory system is made up of kidneys, large intestines, liver, skin, lungs, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The elimination of waste from our body is called excretion. The kidney are the bean-shaped organ that filter the blood to take out the impurities in the form of urine. The urine passes through the ureters to the urinary bladder. The urine is carried to the urinary bladder through thin tubes called ureters. The urine collected from the ureters is stored in the urinary bladder and excreted through a passage called urethra. The skin also acts as an excretory organ because it takes out excess water and salt from our body in the form of sweat. Sweat cools the body when our temperature is high. Last topic of this chapter is reproductive system. The organ system by which humans reproduce their young, that means babies, is known as reproductive system. Today we have learned about remaining all our organ system. First we learn about respiratory system, then we learned about digestive system, then we learn about excretory system, and then we learn about reproduction system. Let's have a short recap of our organ system. Number 1, the human body is made up of several organ system that work together as one unit. Number 2, the skull, ribcage, backbone and limb bones in our body join together to form the skeletal system. Number 3, all muscles together form the muscular system. Number 4, the heart, blood and blood vessels are part of the circulatory system. Number 5. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and a vast network of nerves spread throughout the body. Number 6. The respiratory system consists of the nasal cavity, trachea, and the lungs. Number 7. The process of inhalation and exhalation is known as respiration. Number 8. The mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine together form the digestive system. Number 9. The excretory system consists of the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Number 10. The skin also acts as an excretory organ. Number 11. The reproductive systems helps to produce babies. Here we have completed our science chapter number 1, our organ system. Now let us meet in the new video with new chapter, healthy teeth. Till that time, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.